Assalamualaikum and hi, me and my group today will be explain about the number of fire breakout and public safety insight, where we're gonna explore the fire trend, teacher safety strategy, and resources allocations. So in this lesson, we have 5 lesson outline. The first one is objective and methodology, pre-processing, predictive modeling, visualization, and model evaluations. So in terms of our objective, we want to identify patterns and trends in fire breakout across this category by using statistical modeling and also data visualizations. We also want to provide value insight for policymaker, fire department, and also urban planner to enhance public safety measure and also allocate resources more effectively. In terms of methodology, our process starting with the pre-processing, where we actually put the year and to convert it into integer. And also we categorize into several file type like building, volume, vehicle, and machinery. We also go for predictive modeling. And next for visualization and also model evaluation, where we get insight of the value between the visualization that we get. And that's all. I will pass the presentation to the next person.
Now I will explain about the pre-processing step. As you can see in figure 1, the dataset contains invalid data. This invalid data could affect the model that will be created. So in order to solve this issue, the rows with invalid data are replaced with 0. In figure 2, we can see the code that is used to replace invalid data with 0. Then finally, the actual data is converted to the numerical format so that the R programming can be done and the calculation can be calculated correctly. As you can see in figure 3, the code for converting the data into a numerical value.
For predictive modeling, we split the dataset into training and testing with 80 to 20 ratio. Then we use the LM function to predict the trends for each fire breakout types using linear regression. We use year as independent variable, while value, which is number of incidents, as dependent variable. We do predictions using the test dataset, which helps in estimating the rate of change in the fire incidents.
I would like to share why we use a scatter plot for data visualization. A scatter plot helps us clearly see trends and patterns over time. In our case, it shows how fire incidents increased from 2002 to 2013, then started to decrease. This made it easier to understand the data and spot important change, like when safety policy may have been introduced. Overall, scatter plots are useful to show how things change over time and help us make better decisions based on data.
We use T key metric, R-squared, RMSE, and RSE. R-squared show how well our model capture the trend. The higher, the better. RMSE measure prediction accuracy. A lower RMSE mean prediction are closer to the actual value. RSE tell us the typical error size in real unit. Lower mean more precise. So for this output, R-squared is 0.67, RSE is 4.78, and RMSE is about 10. They show a moderately good fit with acceptable prediction accuracy.